Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English USA 786 channel. Hi, my name is Alex. Hi, my name is Alex.
Hi, I'm Emma. Hi, I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.
Is this your first day at the university? Is this your first day at the university?
Yes, I'm a little nervous. Yes, I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, me too. Don't worry, me too.
What is your major? What is your major?
I'm studying business. I'm studying business.
That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting.
What are you studying? What are you studying?
I'm studying computer science. I'm studying computer science.
Do you know where our classroom is?
I think it's in Building B. I think it's in Building B.
Let's check the campus map. Let's check the campus map.
Good idea. Good idea.
Here's the map. Here's the map.
Our classroom is on the second floor. Our classroom is on the second floor.
Let's go together. Let's go together.
Sure, let's go. Sure, let's go.
We are a little early. We are a little early.
That's better than being late. That's better than being late.
The classroom looks nice. The classroom looks nice.
Let's sit here. Let's sit here.
These seats are empty. These seats are empty.
The teacher is coming. The teacher is coming.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Professor. Good morning, Professor.
I'm excited to learn new things. I'm excited to learn new things.
I hope we become good friends. I hope we become good friends.
Let's have lunch after class. Let's have lunch after class.
That sounds great. That sounds great.
I think our first day went well. I think our first day went well.